Hi there guys and girls. Good midnight to each every one of you. So let's now hit the road going to LA, Legazpi, Albay. Time check is 12:40. That's January, sorry. It's December 31, 2025. Excited for how many hours should I consume before going there? Thank you. Ay, wala pala kayong privilege card. Hindi kayo nagpi-privilege card? Hindi. Pangalan mo? Name mo? Name mo? Tin. Thank you, Tin. Happy New Year. Oh. I'm alive as always and I'm hyper. Lord bless my travel and I hope everybody will safe wherever they go, either in province or in just nearby NCR or anywhere. Have a fruitful year to each every one of you, okay? So excited. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. You know what, I'm thinking if I'm gonna go there or not, because I am so tired and exhausted. I'm planning to take a rest first, going back in my house, and then afterwards I'm gonna wake at 5 a.m. So I think it will be some kind of a rush if I'm gonna do that. So I decided to travel now, okay? Bye for now.